Hit by lightning.
I smite the one word.
Last weekend it was this windy.
I went out for the perfect time.
What's that?
You was when you dragged me into a bar. I'll never forgive you.
Bars.
It wasn't until
Oh, I saw that one.
I'm just going to go the other side of that lamp.
What did you
light,
forget?
that
You
light.
had kids?
I'm just going the other side of that light. This one.
This is going to be absolutely fantastic.
Well, we can always go and get in the car and drive down and park up in the car.
Let's just pretend it wasn't lightning in a lighthouse.
Oh, you missed that one, Dan.
Oh, see it on film.
See it when it comes out on video.
Imagine one hit that lamppost right over there. That would have been worth recording.
One over that one. Yeah, I missed that one. Oh,
Wow.
missed that one.
Oh, that's a good one.
That was a good intercloud.
Makes me want to go full chasing one day.
Really not.
Still not hearing any thunder from it though.
You heard a faint rumble just there earlier.
Oh, wow. That was incredible.
That was a good one.
Right, do you want to, should we go and have a look in the Tesco Express if there's any snacks?
We're just going to stay here.
Oh, Trish, I've no idea. I've never been here before.
This needs to go on YouTube.
Yeah, we'll stay here and meet you here. We'll stay here. Yes.
Oh, wicked.
It's kind of over the top of the hotel. I didn't really get that. I haven't missed any.
No, I saw one outside your camera.
Uh-huh.
What happened with lightning in
Moving.
towards us?
It's moving that way. It's up behind that hotel now.